Chapter 1 Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. B. Defines motives for giving gifts. Although the occasions on which gift giving takes place and the circumstances that motivate it will be dealt with more fully in due course, some customary attention will be given to this subject here with a few illustrative examples. In Toba, a young girl may wheedle a small piece of land out of her father in order to carefully store up its produce year after year until she marries. Such a gift is called a bangunan, field given out of affection. Such a course will be especially adopted by a girl who is ugly or deformed, since otherwise no man might want to marry her. Usually, however, a girl will wait until she marries, then she will receive the marriage gift from her father, the pau seang, which can be regarded as the ulos nisinamot, the counterpart of the marriage payment. This pau seang is given to her so that she will be more respected by her husband as a sangap ibana, and for her offspring to enjoy its fruits. When her first son is born, then her father, mother, and more distant kinsmen will visit her in order to enrich and strengthen the soul marupa of the infant's and the child's grandfather will present him with a piece of land, the dahanarian, the daily meal of rice. When the mother takes her son a few months after his birth on a visit to her parents, or if they are dead, to her eldest brother, she will then receive an ulos paropa, a cloth in which to carry her son on her back. Should a married daughter be very ill, her father comes to manguba her. He wipes the ulos titodi that she received during her pregnancy round her and presents her with an ulos nasora buruk so that her todi will again live strongly in her body by virtue of the beneficial effect of both the clothes and the piece of land. If the woman's husband dies and he has a younger brother who can marry the widow in Levirat, then a father who has a preference for such a marriage will give the suitor an encouragement clothes, ulos pangapo. The same idea underlies a father's giving his daughter an upah mangunung, usually a wet rice field, as an inducement to her to marry a man who is acceptable to him, but for whom she has no particular fancy. Ulos give, in a wider context, is the land of which the borough group in a territory may form a village and the strip of land that is put at its disposal for cultivation, the talian. This can be regarded as an ulos gift from the hula group, in which was initially vested the right to the land in the territory. Another right that can be regarded as an ulos gift is the right to cut down trees in the territory of which the ruling Affines. The contribution to this gift being money or giving money or something else. As the saying, tua ni namok tua si torop hula hula, fortunate is he who has an extended group of hula is not without point. There is another pertinent maxim, durung do boru to bugon hula. The bow is the land net, the hula is the well.